Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop. Today we are going to be turning this wood screw railroad spike thing, going to be grinding off these little lips, and then going to be taking this, throwing it into the forge, and trying to forge a double-edged dagger. And I'm hoping to have this be about a 6-inch blade with a really nice twisted handle, pre-twisted. So in that, let's get into it, guys. So I got the knife, double-edged dagger. It's about 6 to 7 inches long. I believe it's closer to 7 now. I tried to forge most of the bevels onto it. Go for the quench. Now to me this appears to be skating, however I have been told that it could just be the scale on this, so I'm going to real quick just hit it with the flap wheel on the angle grinder, and we'll be back to test it. Alright guys, so I'm back after giving this a quick grind down with a stone wheel just to get the scale off, and then a 120 flap wheel. I made sure to not get hot at all. I kept dunking it every like 2 seconds, so let's see how sharp or how hard it is. Alright guys, this concludes this video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, comment down in the comment section down below for future video ideas. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and we will see you next time.